Okay, so the desktop environment is keep on changing by user, so I want to restrict. So two things I want to achieve. Okay, I didn't write anything here, so no problem, just no. So two things I want to achieve. One thing is user should not change their desktop background. First one. Second one is I will enforce a particular desktop environment, so user should maintain that desktop environment only, means the desktop background only, not whatever the user wanted. So I will enforce them, so they will get this desktop environment. So how to do it? Okay, you can see the desktop background here. I will change it. So for that one we need few things. First of all, we need a desktop background first. So I'm going to E drive. I'm creating a folder here in E drive. Um, anything, desktop wallpaper. Okay, so I creating a desktop wallpaper. It is a folder with space, without space you can create it. So I'm sharing this folder. Sharing desktop wallpaper means properties, desktop wallpaper properties, advanced sharing tab, advanced sharing, share this folder, permissions, everyone, select, apply, okay, apply, okay, security, edit, add. You can add everyone, or you can use, better to use authenticated users instead of everyone. Okay, instead of everyone, use authenticated users. Okay, or domain users. Okay, but I'm giving to everyone. So security permissions I given, sharing done, and I'm copying this text, network path, close it, minimize, and go to this text, notepad, paste here. So later we'll see this one. Next, I open this desktop wallpaper folder. How to create a picture? So you can create a manually a picture, or you can take it from some place. Okay, I'm taking this one here, Azure map, or you can do anything like this. Depends upon you. You can able to change things. Okay, here extension not showing here. This is in server only. Server only we am doing. File name extensions. This is a PNG and this one. I copied two things in a desktop wallpaper, so I will select later. I am renaming to make it a smaller name. So I put a cloud JPG. Another one is Azure map. Azure map. Okay. Spaces removing is always better. Okay. So first I'm going to Azure map. Edit. Go to edit only. Um, our screen size is 1366 into 768, right? Our screen size, maximum size is 1366 into 768, but it is pixel. If you see in the bottom pixel, it is showing 1686 into 865, so it is won't fit as a desktop background. So you have to change the size. Okay, you have to change the size. So either you can go to resize, or you can able to change by percentage or a pixel wise. So I'm going to change the things with the pixel size, 1366 768. Now it is not stabling, it is not listening to me. So okay, 1366 into 700, no problem. Click OK. Now the shape is little bit changed, so I'm saving it, or you can do save as like this, save as jpg, or just a save also, no problem. Okay, the location is E drive. So when you do save as, automatically size also reduce. Say Azure map jpg, so remember that one. Otherwise, go to rename, copy completely like this. Okay, and where is this one? Put a slash, copy here, paste here. See, like this. I'm using this link. Control C. Now I'm creating a policy. Now tell me the steps. Group policy object. Right click, guys. Okay, new. Name it right. Any name you can give, like a desktop wallpaper or a Azure wallpaper, like that. Okay, anything. Click OK. What is the next one? I can't able to hear anyone.
Edit group policy.
Edit policy. Very good. Edit. And generally, where we are going? User configuration. Administrative templates. All settings. Go to filter option. Desktop wallpaper. Exact. Okay. Now it is showing desktop wallpaper. Filter is already on. That's why I didn't do anything. Just filter on is already there. Desktop wallpaper. You can see. All settings. Desktop wallpaper. Double click on desktop wallpaper. Enable. Paste this link. Shared link. Only sharing will work. Don't use C drive, D drive kind of stuff. This thing only will work. Okay. With the complete one. Okay. You can choose center, fill, fit, span, stretch, tile, like that also. Oh, I have to put it in a full screen mode, then only you can see. Okay. Apply. Okay. Now close. Close this one. Okay. Editing is completed. Go to settings. Click on show all. See, this is desktop wallpaper. This is the link. Network link. Next one. What it is?
Link the group policy.
Link the policy. Yes, right. Link the policy. Desktop wallpaper. Okay. So I link two policies under single OU only. Okay. Now policy is linked, and you can see link details and other things also. So finally refresh one or twice, no problem. Go to run. This is purely optional. Better to go to client. So it will open and close automatically. So don't worry about it. Go to the client. Better to give GP update. If you remember, I didn't give an GP update for Apurva. I just log in directly, but still it is applied. Why? Because of when you log in automatically, first time you log in automatically, policy will be applied. So you need to do this one. This is purely optional, but better to do it. That is important. I want to sign out. This is giving sheet. So I sign out directly with Alt Control Insert sign out. So if you are using physical machine, Alt Control Delete, but this is a VMware workstations. Okay. So I'm login like a other user. Here, okay, see, Apurva got a world map. Why this black background? Because 786 it is not set up, right? So that is not we are able to it. So now we are getting white background that too. See here it is complete your Azure map. Where are the data centers of Azure? You can able to see on the screen compulsory. Like you are working on a Microsoft Azure, or you are working in an Azure company, and compulsory they'll enforce some desktop background means like this. You can do it. So your background will be gone. If in case while you do this one, you get only black background, not actually this one. It means there is a few things. One is your picture is not less than 1366 into 768. That is should be less than 1366 into 768. Say equal to or less, not more than that one. So in that cases, if you are having a more, then it is one. Better to take small sizes, means save as to JPGs, and give proper network path. Okay, network path plus your file name. Okay, sharing one. Security, everyone better to give security everyone for first time. Okay, while you are doing first time. Later you can change it if you want it. Okay. Now, if in case I don't want a Azure map, I want a cloud map. I want cloud. This one. So then go to edit and see what is the pixel size. It's a very small one. Okay, and it will come in a middle only. So like this, if you want a small one, then you can use it. So go to same thing, group policies, desktop wallpaper, show all, desktop wallpaper. Click here. Click on desktop wallpaper. It will tell what it is. Okay, I'm going to edit. Mm, go to filter on. Desktop wallpaper is directly there. So because the filter options, desktop wallpaper. So instead of this, I'll give cloud. Sorry, I just typing only based on the name here. Okay, cloud.jpg. So that's the name I giving, cloud.jpg. I have to put a full screen mode also. Apply. Okay, close it. So changes occur, right? So compulsory go to somewhere and refresh. Top angle only, just refresh. So when you're done, settings, show all. Is the setting is changed or not? Verify this one. Then if you want, you can go for a GP update and go to the client. It is not applied. You have to sign out and sign in. Before I sign out and sign in, I will go to update the policy. Okay. Now I'm going to sign out. So other user, better always go to other user and type your username and password. So that is more possible that policies will apply. See, other one. So like we can enforce that desktop background means a wallpaper to the users. That's it. Um, I'm trying to check with Aniket also. Yeah. So got a desktop background, right? Very good. Here I want to show you a small setting, and then we'll say bye bye to group policies, right? What is that small setting? We'll show you here. This is my desktop wallpaper. Either you can do from here or you can do from here also. Anything is same. So here I am going to click here, select a delegation, select delegation, advanced. I will select a user here. So add. You can use group or a user computer. Three things. You can add a user, group, or a computer here. So I'm adding a user here. Aniket, check names. Okay. And can you see this group policy? Apply group policy. So add a user, apply group policy, deny, deny, OS. Okay. So this policy, this desktop wallpaper policy for Aniket, it is custom. It means it is policies denied. Policies denied for Aniket. Okay, that's it. Now refresh, refresh, update. Now here also go to GP update. Okay, then sign out. Other user Aniket. See, where is the desktop background? Earlier it is there, now it is not there. It means I denied the policy to a particular user. Like you can deny the policy to a particular user or a group or a computer. Also, we can deny the policy, even though they are in the same OU, but policy is not applying. It means we deny the policy is also there. Okay, so this is a one setting. Deny the policy. Next, guys, understand deny the policy. So how I deny the policy? So I went to delegation. I went to delegation. There I add a user using advanced. I add a user. Add user. Okay. Then I given uh, apply policy deny. Apply policy deny. Okay. Apply policy. I done deny. So in the OU, whatever the users are there. So in this OU, what are the users are there? All people will get a policy settings, but Aniket won't get the policy settings. I denied it. Now I'm going to other user who is another. So for on Aniket, IE restrictions will be applied, but desktop wallpaper is not applied. But Apurva is getting desktop background. So the modified desktop background. So like that is there. So we can deny some user. Last one. Not like this. CMD run as administrator. Why I'm giving Apurva? Because Apurva is also administrator. No, it is not administrator now. So I have to give administrator. I added to group, I think. Okay. So run as administrator. So here I am putting a command called gp result /h or -h anything, and give some name on it. Okay. So it is e:/ um, gp result 1.html. Okay, exit. What happened? CMD. Okay. What is this Bing? Anyone knows what is Bing? Microsoft having a search kind of thing. Okay. So we do that one. So micro like Google search, it's a Bing search. Bing search is a Microsoft one. Yeah, that's earlier mistake is open with not that one is done. So GP result /h e I given, but where it is created I don't know. Either E drive or a C drive, so we have to check it. I didn't given properly also. Yeah, it is this one. GP result 1 in eDrive. You can see, so what are the policies applied on it, on this particular user? General, component, policies, group policy objects, applied GPOs. What are the group policies are applied on it? Desktop wallpaper, IE restriction, denied GPOs are not there. So you got two policies on this user. Two policies are there. See, it is desktop wallpaper, IE restrictions. This is a general one, general component, that is a different point. Okay, but can you see group policy objects wise, desktop wallpaper and IE restriction, two policies are applied on it. So this is GP result. So that's it. If possible, I will show you the printer kind of stuff. Printer, um, using like a printer also having a group policy. So we can deploy a printer through group policy is also possible. Okay. Now